Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got a quick video I want to do. I was thinking, I drive my RTV on the road a lot, and one of the things I'm always concerned about is being seen from behind. Those red triangles are required, but they're not going to do you much good, especially late at night when there's no street lights. And this thing only goes 25 miles an hour, and you got cars coming up behind you, and you need to be seen. One of the things that I was considering doing was putting, the orange strobe beacon on that spot right there. Really didn't want to do that. It's an aesthetic thing. It kind of takes away from the looks, but I'm not really too concerned about that. So what I did, I was looking around and I was trying to figure out what can I do to put on the back of this to make it more visible, because the taillights suck. The taillights are really dim and they're not very bright, and they, from behind at nighttime, I'm not confident that I'm going to be seen with these taillights. So I came up with an idea. Those amber spreader lights are not an option because they'll blind somebody coming up from behind you. So what I did was I got a all-weather LED strip, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here, and it's adhesive mounted, and I also put some zip ties around it so it doesn't come off, and I put it on the screen for the back window. Ran the wire down through the cab. Not done. That door's locked and I can't get there. So I'm not done running the wires yet. However, I did get them underneath the rubber mat, and I do have them plugged in. So they're right here. Comes with a little plug. Comes with this nifty gadget, like that you mount on your dash. Here's the power. Turn it on. And from behind, this is what you have. And there's like 30 some different patterns that you can do. I like this one because it's very eye-catching, and it's amber and white. And I'll tell you, the iPhone doesn't do it justice, but this thing is really, really bright. It is, you'll never miss it. It is super, super bright. And when it's turned off, you don't even see it. Kind of what I wanted. Just a strip on the middle grate. So that's all. It was, I don't know how much it was. It was like 30 bucks, 40 bucks, something like that. And a super simple install, like really simple. Like just plug it into your cigarette lighter and it works. So that's what I wanted. That's what I did. I like it. And if you have any thoughts about it, I can put the link on the page from Amazon where I got it. It is a 49-inch strip. The 60-inch is just a little too long. It's 56 inches from here to there. So the 60-inch would be too long. The 49-inch, which I measured, is actually 47 inches. It was just right. So pretty much covers the entire back screen, and it's what I was looking for. So this is amber and white. There's different colors. You can get blue and red. You can get white and red. Maybe green and white. I'm not sure. But I went with the amber and the white, and it looks good, and I like it. And there you go. Thanks. See you next time.